Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. The integration of cos 6x, we will have about 1 over 6 sin 6x, and we put about c, and we have 1 over 30 sin 6x plus c. Question number 2. The integration of sine of 3 over 4x, we will have about 4 over 3, and we have negative cosine 3 over 4x. Number 3 and number 3, they will cancel. So we have negative number 4 cosine 3 over 4x plus c. Question number 3. About this integration, we will have about 5x plus 4 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of ax plus b to the power of c, you will have about ax plus b to the power of c plus 1 over c plus 1 multiplied by a. So in this situation, we have 5x plus 4 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over number 5 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put about c. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. Now we go to the next one. About this one, we can write into s to the power of negative number 2. This one we can write into s to the power of negative 1 over 7. So we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and we have s to the power of negative 1 over 7 plus 1 over negative number 1 over 7 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have negative number 1, negative number 1. This one we have 6 over 7. We have 6 over 7. Now let's go to the next one. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 9 ln of the absolute value of secant of 9x plus tan 9x, and we put about c. This one we have 4 negative 4 over 7 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 7 over 4x plus cotan 7 over 4x, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.